All right, let's take a look at the Truefree HF10 headphones. They did send me these. They offered me them back in November. I waited a little bit, got caught up on a couple of videos. I seen that the reviews are 4.6 stars on Amazon, so I hit them up literally like 3 days ago and they sent them over. But let's get into these bad boys. You got your instruction manual. You got your usual too small to use USB to USB-C cable. And you got an audio cable for the wonderful lossless audio. Now these are some budget headphones, but I have high expectations because Amazon is some tough critics. 4.6 stars for a $31 pair of headphone on sale. I need to see what these are about. These bad boys are promising 125 hours of playback time, which is nice since the battery has the power of 40mm drivers. All right, let's check out these ear cups first. Okay, this protein leather. I wonder if it's any type of kindred to protein shakes, never mind. But this protein leather feels very nice. These are very, very lightweight, and the ear cups swivel, which is gonna help with pressure. And you got this really nicely padded headband. You got your active noise cancellation button, your USB-C, then you have your audio input, your power button. Let's turn that bad boy on. And you got your volume down and up. Now let's pair. This is the initial pairing. So I didn't want to cut nothing out. I wanted you to see how long it takes to pair. I also didn't read the instructions when I went into this. I know now because I went back when I had to pair it with my MacBook as well. But this is what a lot of us do when we get a new device. You're excited. You're not trying to sit there and read anything. You know what's funny? The only thing I read is my Bible, and I read that every single day. These bad boys even have Bluetooth 6.0, so it makes it very easy to switch from one device to another. Now let's talk about the audio. When you throw these bad boys on, do not turn them all the way up. Make sure you let them break in just a little bit. If you are a bass head, you're gonna love these because these have that vibrate your ear type bass. The highs are definitely amplified so that the heavy bass doesn't drown them out, but somehow the highs maintain pretty decent clarity. Overall, it's a V-shaped sound and I completely approve. Just don't buy these thinking you're about to get an AirPod Max or a Sony XM6 experience. These will actually leave some money in your pocket. Now, y'all ready for this? The active noise cancellation on these are very good. And I never say that for budget earbuds or headphones, but they nailed the ANC. My little one was watching her Bible cartoon and it cut out so much of that noise that I almost forgot that she had the TV so loud. On top of that, it was 8 degrees outside, so I had a space heater that was sitting right next to, and these cut out probably about 90% of that noise. I actually used the ANC to block out distractions so I can do the voiceovers for this video, but the latency is not low enough to do the playback editing, which most earbuds and headphones that I've tried are not able to do that, at least not wirelessly. I really don't like being wired, but if you plug these bad boys in, you can 100% edit with them with no latency. These guys even nailed the transparency mode. How are you a budget headphone that nails the ANC and the transparency mode? And I also want to talk about these ear cuffs. They have so much space that you can wear these for hours with no ear fatigue. It's also not much clamping force, which is always a W. I told you I was going to start doing an around the neck test from now on after we did those Bose Quiet Comfort, and these passed the test. They fit comfortably around your neck. All right, let's test the microphone of the Truefree HF10. The little one is in the other room and the TV is very loud, so we do have some background noise, and I'm curious to how well these headphones separate my voice from the background. Let me know how they sound. I'ma just say this, I'm very selective about the products that I do videos on so I don't lose my credibility. That's why I will watch countless videos. I will look at Amazon reviews, Best Buy reviews. I'll go to Reddit. I'm looking up anything I can find on these products before I even accept anything, right? These are 100% worth it. You're getting headphones that you can listen to music with that don't make your ears sweat. You can block out plane noise. The pass-through is pretty doggone good, so you can have conversations without taking them off, and you can watch movies with them. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed, not stressed. Pray more, not less. I'm out.